Why top hairstylists are turning to acacia fiber for damage repair and protection. In the ever-evolving world of hair care, hairstylists and industry experts continually seek innovative, natural ingredients to offer clients superior hair repair and protection. Recently, acacia fiber has emerged as the new star ingredient, earning enthusiastic praise from leading hairstylists and beauty experts globally. But what exactly is acacia fiber, and why has it become the preferred choice for top hairstylists aiming to combat hair damage effectively? This detailed guide explores the extraordinary benefits of acacia fiber, delving into why this natural powerhouse is becoming indispensable in professional hair care routines. Understanding acacia fiber, nature's secret to strong, healthy hair. Acacia fiber, also known as gum arabic, is extracted from the sap of Acacia senegal trees native to Africa. Traditionally prized for its numerous health and wellness benefits, recent discoveries have spotlighted acacia fiber's exceptional capabilities in hair care, particularly for damage repair, moisture retention, and protective treatments. Rich in nutrients, essential for hair health, acacia fiber is abundantly rich in natural polysaccharides and magnesium, both critical components for maintaining healthy, resilient hair. Its unique molecular structure deeply nourishes the scalp and strengthens hair strands, addressing issues from dryness and brittleness to severe damage caused by heat styling and chemical treatments. The growing popularity of acacia fiber. Among top hairstylists, leading salons and celebrity hairstylists worldwide have begun incorporating acacia fiber into their hair care routines, attributing its rise in popularity to its remarkable effectiveness in restoring damaged hair and protecting against future harm. 1. Exceptional damage repair capabilities. Acacia fiber works exceptionally well at repairing hair damaged by styling, heat exposure, coloring, and environmental stressors. Unlike many chemical treatments that superficially mask damage, acacia fiber penetrates deep into hair follicles, providing intensive nourishment and facilitating true repair from within. Top hairstylists report significantly healthier-looking hair with fewer split ends, reduced breakage, and improved elasticity after integrating acacia fiber treatments into their clients' hair care regimens. 2. Superior moisture retention. One major reason acacia fiber is so effective in hair care is its extraordinary ability to retain moisture. Its high polysaccharide content attracts and locks in moisture, preventing dryness, frizz, and brittleness. Hairstylists love using acacia fiber products because they visibly enhance hair's hydration, softness, and manageability. 3. Protective barrier against environmental stressors. Daily exposure to harsh elements like UV rays, pollution, and chemical treatments can severely damage hair, weakening its structure and diminishing its vitality. Acacia fiber forms a protective barrier around each hair strand, shielding hair from these environmental stressors and significantly reducing future damage. Hairstylists often recommend acacia fiber as part of regular hair care routines to maintain long-lasting hair health, strength, and shine. Benefits of acacia fiber for different hair types. One of the key reasons behind acacia fiber's universal acclaim among hairstylists is its versatility and effectiveness across various hair types. For dry and brittle hair, acacia fiber provides intensive moisture retention, addressing dryness and brittleness. Regular use helps transform lifeless brittle hair into silky smooth strands, improving overall hair manageability and appearance. For chemically treated hair. Chemically treated hair, whether colored, permed, or straightened, requires additional nourishment to maintain its health and vibrancy. Acacia fiber deeply nourishes chemically processed hair, restoring elasticity and reducing damage from chemical treatments. For curly and textured hair types often struggle with maintaining sufficient moisture. Acacia fiber significantly enhances moisture retention, defining curls and preventing frizz. Top hairstylists find it invaluable for maintaining beautiful, hydrated, well-defined curls. How hairstylists incorporate acacia fiber into professional hair care routines. Acacia fiber shampoos and conditioners. Many top salons now utilize shampoos and conditioners enriched with acacia fiber, providing daily nourishment and protective benefits. These products ensure continuous hydration, damage repair, and protection from environmental stressors. Intensive hair masks and treatments. Professional hairstylists often recommend acacia fiber-infused intensive hair masks and deep treatments. These treatments deliver concentrated repair, significantly reducing signs of severe damage and dramatically improving hair health and appearance. Leave-in serums and sprays. Acacia fiber. Leave-in serums and protective sprays have become essential tools in hairstyling kits. They provide instant hydration, improve manageability, and deliver ongoing protection against heat styling and UV damage. Why acacia fiber outperforms conventional hair care ingredients. Compared to synthetic ingredients commonly used in hair care, acacia fiber stands out due to its natural origin, superior absorption, and multi-beneficial properties. Here's why hairstylists increasingly prefer acacia fiber over traditional ingredients. Natural and safe. Unlike chemical-based treatments that often come with side effects like scalp irritation, dryness, or product buildup, acacia fiber is gentle and safe for all scalp types, including sensitive and reactive skin. Long-term results. Acacia fiber's natural compounds provide lasting results, promoting genuine hair health and resilience. Users experience long-term improvements rather than temporary cosmetic enhancements. Versatility and effectiveness. Its versatility makes it suitable for all hair types and textures, providing comprehensive solutions to various hair care concerns, from dryness to damage repair and protection. Testimonials from top hairstylists, celebrity hairstylists, and leading salon experts consistently endorse acacia fiber, incorporating acacia fiber into your personal hair care routine. To experience the professional-level benefits of acacia fiber at home, consider integrating the following into your routine. Acacia fiber shampoo and conditioner, daily nourishment and moisture retention. A weekly acacia fiber hair masks, deep intensive repair treatments, and leave-in acacia fiber products, daily protection against environmental damage and styling heat. Final thoughts. Acacia fiber, the future of hair care. Acacia fiber's rise to popularity among top hairstylists is more than just a trend. It signals a fundamental shift towards natural, effective, and holistic hair care solutions. Its unparalleled ability to repair damage, retain moisture, and protect hair from further harm makes it a powerful addition to any hair care regimen. By choosing acacia fiber, you invest in healthier, more resilient, and stunningly vibrant hair, achieving professional-level results effortlessly.